Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, quotable quotes. Now let us start question answer session. Match the complete quotes. First one. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance, which is option K. This quote was written by Samuel Johnson, often referred to as Dr. Johnson. He was an English writer who made lasting contributions to English literature as a poet, playwright, essayist, moralist, literary critic, biographer, editor, and lexicographer. Next quote. Silence is an art of conversation, which is option C. This quote was written by Marcus Tullius Cicero. He was a Roman statesman. He was a Roman statesman, lawyer, scholar, and academic skeptic who played an important role in the politics of the late Roman Republic and in vain tried to uphold republican principles during the crisis that led to the establishment of the Roman Empire. Next quote. Child is the father of the man, which is option D. The quote was written by William Wordsworth. He used the expression, the child is the father of the man, in his famous 1802 poem, My Heart Lifts Up, also known as The Rainbow. Next quote. You can't shake hands with a clenched fist, which is option B. This quote was written by Mahatma Gandhi. Next quote. An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind, which is option H. An eye for an eye leaves the whole world blind is frequently attributed to M.K. Gandhi. The Gandhi Institute for Nonviolence states that the Gandhi family believes it is an authentic Gandhi quotation, but no example of its use by the Indian leader has ever been discovered. Next quote. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, which is option A. Firmly stated Newton's third law, that is, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The statement means that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. The size of forces on the first object equals the size of the forces on the second object. Next quote. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and to remove all doubt, which is option I. This quote was written by Abraham Lincoln. He was an American statesman and lawyer who served as the 16th President of the United States from 1861 to 1865. Next quote. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration, which is option A. This quote was written by Thomas Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. Next quote. Discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes ability, which is option B, which is option G. This quote was written by author Roy L. Smith, aka Mr. Methodist. Next quote. Necessity is the mother of invention, which is option E. It is an English language proverb. It means roughly that the primary driving force for most new inventions is a need. Next quote. Respect all, fear none, which is option J. John Robert Wooden was an American basketball player and coach nicknamed Wizard of Westwood. This quote by John Wooden reflects his definition of confidence, that is, respect without fear may come from being prepared and keeping all things in proper perspective. Fun fact. When written in Chinese, the word crisis is composed of two characters. One represents danger and the other represents opportunity. Now, students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.